Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the charge of capital Q, which is kept at the center of the squares. In all the corners, all the four corners, we have charges minus Q at each corner. So at A we have minus Q, and at B we have minus Q, and at C we have minus Q, and at D we have minus Q. Okay, and we want to find the value of this capital Q so that the system is in equilibrium. So students, this question was asked in competitive exams, many competitive exams. It's one of the important questions. Okay, before finding the value of this capital Q, we need to do one thing, then only we can find this capital Q. First of all, what you have to do is you have to find the net force acting at any one corner. See students, this video is related to the previous video which I released. There we found the net electric field at one corner of a square. See, the same strategy we have to apply here. We have to find the net force at any one corner. Then only we can proceed and to find the value of this capital Q. So the first part of the problem is not finding this value of capital Q. First part is to find the net force acting at any one corner. So let me choose in the same manner like my previous video. Let me choose the same corner D and let me find out the net force. Then I can find the value of Q. See students, I have drawn the forces FA. So FA which will be acting down because charges will repel each other. So FA will act down, and FB will act in this direction. Here also it will repel, and FC also will repel, which will go towards left. So this direction, and I have written the equations. FA, the general formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R squared. So I can take 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught as K. Yes, of course, KQ squared by A squared. And only for FB the distance is different. The distance is root 2A. So I have to take the distance here. Only the distance part alone varies, rest all remains same. FC, it's same like FA. See students, I have written here the formula for force net. Net force is equal to root over FA squared plus FC squared, because they are perpendicular to each other, plus FB. So this resultant and FB are acting in the same direction. So simple addition. So if you want more clarity in this, you can go back and watch my previous video where I gave complete explanation of this part. Okay, so this will be root 2 FA plus FB, and the values of FA and FB is substituted here, and the net force we got is KQ squared by 2A squared into 2 root 2 plus 1, and see, this is the direction of this net force. Okay, see, now we have come to the very important part of this problem. So now we have found the net force that is acting at one corner. See, now we have to find the value of this Q. So the condition is the system is in equilibrium. So if the system has to be in equilibrium, there should be an equal and opposite force which is acting inwards. So here this F net is acting outwards. So there should be an equal and opposite force inwards. Then only the system is in equilibrium. So that is what we are going to do now. See, now this net force must be equal to FDO, that is force which is acting inwards, DO, FDO. So F net value I know, I found it in the previous equation. So I am substituting the value of F net and FDO. So I have to write Coulomb's force formula for FDO. So K, which is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and one charge is this is minus Q, because it's attracting force. So I am considering that minus as direction. So you can notice I have not written the minus sign here, but students, you have to understand one important thing. For vector quantities, for any vector, force is a vector quantity. For vector quantities, minus is considered as direction. So here I am considering the minus as direction, that is acting inwards. So that is why I didn't put the minus sign here. So you have to carefully notice at this place. And okay, KQ, another one is capital Q. So the value of capital Q only we want to find by distance square. Here the distance DO will be A by root 2 because the total diagonal will be root 2A. So it will be half of root 2A. So which will be A by root 2 the whole square. So okay, if we solve this, we will find the value of capital Q, and which is coming small q by 4 into 2 root 2 plus 1. See students, so this will be there in any one option among that 4. So you have to tick this is the right answer. Students, after watching this video, you can share your valuable comments. If you have any doubts also, you can put it in the comment box. Maybe once I see, I will definitely answer your query, whatever it may be. And if you have not subscribed our channel, you can subscribe and press the bell button as well, so that you will get notification. Yes students, thank you.